Dergall Hobby is effective and safe protection against parasitic arthropods for reptiles and birds. We would like to invite you to watch an instructional video that shows treatment involving the use of Dergall Hobby. Our guide will be renowned reptile breeder and owner of the Animals Live company, Mr. Witold Plucik. A carry of reptiles are blood-feeding parasites, which significantly affect the health of animals in captivity. A large Acari population can lead to weakness, irritation, and increased vulnerability of reptiles to bacterial infections. Parasites can also carry viral diseases and even endanger the health of reptile breeders. Planned parasite control activities should begin with careful cleaning of the terrarium's interior. First, transfer the animals to a different location that's been prepared in advance. Before applying Dergall Hobby, remove and dispose of the bedding and all small items, which may act as a hiding place for parasites from the terrarium. Unplug all electrical devices, such as lighting or heating systems. The preparation should be used at a 1% concentration, that is, 10 milliliters of concentrate per 1 liter of water. To obtain the required concentration of spray solution, pour the measured amount of concentrate and the necessary amount of water into the sprayer tank and mix. The recommended use is between 100 and 130 milliliters of solution per 1 square meter, depending on the severity of the infestation. Any excess solution can be used during subsequent treatments. The preparation should always be mixed before use. Carefully apply Dergall Hobby to all terrarium surfaces, including all nooks and crannies which can hide the Acari. After the terrarium is sprayed and dries off, return it to a state that allows an animal to be put back inside. Then, carefully apply the preparation to all terrarium equipment. Apply the preparation to all surface areas of the reptile's body, including the stomach. In the case of small reptiles, be careful not to block the nostrils. The Dergall Hobby solution does not irritate the skin or the eyes of the sprayed animals and is also safe for humans. If parasites are found outside of the terrarium, the entire room must be sprayed. Spraying should be repeated 6 days after the initial treatment in order to eliminate new Acari generations. When checking the animal's condition, pay special attention to places typically parasitized by the arthropod species in question. The physical behavior of Dergall Hobby does not cause parasites to become immune. A treatment using Dergall Hobby will reduce the risk of a bacterial infection. I highly recommend Dergall Hobby. It's very effective in controlling Acari infestations. I use it myself, as it works great and is completely safe for both the animals and humans. More information can be found at dergall-hobby.eu.